Hello, Algebra 1. I am back, and I'm here to help you out with the challenge by choice assignment for the week, which is one-step equations. So this is the green challenge by choice. So I just wrote down a couple that I think might have been a little bit difficult for you, starting with number 1. I know you guys are used to having the variable, come on this side of the equation, but no big deal. We're going to locate the variable, and we're going to say, okay, I need to get this by itself. Right now, there is an 8 next to it. This 8 is positive, not because of this plus sign, but because there's no negative in front of it, okay? So positive 8. How do I get rid of a positive 8? Well, I need to subtract 8. When I do that, this cancels out. All I have left, bring this down, is a v. Bring down your equals. 26 minus 8 is 18. And you're done with that one. You don't have to write it v equals 18. You can just keep it as 18 equals v. It's fine. All right, locate the variable. All right, here's my variable. What is next to it that I need to get rid of? A negative 15. How do I undo negative 15? Well, I need to add 15. What I do to one side, I need to do to the other. When I do that, this cancels out. All I'm left with is a positive n equals negative 9 plus 15. Take the sign of the bigger number. So since 15 is bigger, our answer is going to be positive. And then do big minus little. 15 minus 9 is 6. And like we said, it's going to be positive. All right. Now, number 11 is going to be a little bit tricky for you, possibly. We're going to find our variable. It's right here. And we're going to determine what operation we have. Right now, we have 8 times x. So how do I undo times or multiplication? I divide. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. We wanted this 8 to go away. Now we just have our x. All right. I guess I'll write it right here. Bring down your equals. 8 goes into 104, I think 13 times. Probably should have done that out before, but I believe it's 13. And we have a negative over a positive, so our answer is negative. Okay, now for this one over here, we have b divided by 18. Okay, we located our variable. We determined what operation we had. We have divided by. How do I undo division? I multiply. What am I going to multiply by? The denominator. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So if I multiply by 18 here to get these to cancel out, I'm going to multiply by 18 here. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 8 is 48. So 108 and a negative times a positive is a negative. So negative 108. Feel free to use your calculator. You don't need to do it in your head. All right, number 14, we have 10 times n. So we located our variable. What operation do we have? We have multiplication, so we need to divide by 10, divide by 10. When we do that, this cancels out. We get n equals 40 divided by 10 is 4. Now, I didn't know if that would be tricky for you guys or not, but if so, that's how you do it. If not, then great job. Again, identify your, or recognize where your variable is. Okay, it's right here. Determine what operation you have. You have division. So what do you need to do? You need to undo division by multiplying. Multiply by the 8 because that's what you're trying to get rid of. What you do to one side, you need to do to the other. So now I have v equals 2 times 8, which is 16. So that is the green challenge by choice. If you have a question about any of the other problems on that worksheet, just send me a text or an email. Good luck.